What's up, Stay Tuned family? It's me, Devan again. I know it's been a while, I know. But that's besides the point. So today I got a fun day for y'all planned ahead. We are going to the Miami Hurricanes game versus Virginia. As you can tell, right now I'm just getting gas at Como. Then I'm gonna go to my mom's house where her fiance, and my brother and I are all going to the game all the way down Fort Lauderdale at the Hard Rock Stadium. So stay tuned and see what's up. Guys, I miss it. So finally got to my mom's house. Everyone's together now. We are almost in, where are we? Fort Lauderdale? Almost in Fort Lauderdale. And then we only have, I think, like 30-minute more drive. Then we're gonna be to the game, but we're gonna get something to eat. Okay, everyone, I'm sorry I didn't fill you in as soon as I got to the stadium, but Canes were down 3-10 at one point. Then he got a touchdown and of course, so it was 10-10 in the halftime. Then as soon as they got the first possession after Miami scored a touchdown, it was a pick six into the end zone, and it's just fucking amazing. I'm having no fucking voice by the end of this, but who really cares? We're having fun, drinking beer, and having a good time. Go Canes. See what we're in. He's in! Okay, everyone, the game is over. As you can tell, we're all in the parking lot. Everyone's exiting the stadium, and the game was tied at the end of the fourth quarter. So, there's full ice everywhere. So what happened was OT, Virginia had the ball first. They went 4 for 4. Didn't even get a first down. Miami got the ball in the 25, and guess what they did? They scored a fucking touchdown. It went in review, but guess what? Miami took the fucking dub. Well, that's for the vlog, and if the night keeps going, I'll see you there. If not, see y'all next time.